living in Florida, we are so lucky because there's pretty much something green all year round that you can cut out of your yard to make a beautiful floral arrangement with. Let's put together a small arrangement. I love just doing greenery, especially this time of the year. And we'll put this together and sit it on your dining room table. So I'm starting with the holly. I love the green berries. And we're just gonna layer them in. A little boxwood, some fern. Come in with my oak leaves. And the rosemary. That smells so good. Okay, good. Just lots of textures, and everything came from in and around our yard. It's real simple. If you have any questions, just come into the cottage and we'll be glad to help you.